Hello.
Hello, my friends.
Hello. Okay, so the husband G has purchased something, but as you can see, I already opened it. As you can see, I can't see what it is.
Right. She thought it was a box for her because it is from the Amazon. And someone
And I'm the Amazon lady.
She is. She orders many things from Amazon.
Not as much as I used to. Hashtag recovery.
Right. But with that being said, she didn't see that it had my name on it. But that's okay because it's for all of us. And it's for, well, you'll see what it's for once we dig in.
I open.
Open!
1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, 4 and a 5. 3.
Okay, open some more.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back to that.
Oh, it's Elsa! Oh, wait, what is... Are these magnets to go on the door?
They're magnets to go on the door or any other Ferris object.
The Disney door. Brown tape. Oh my gosh, Misty's gonna love this. It's Elsa.
It is. And so we're gonna need a way to keep these things together now that they're being opened, but we'll figure it out.
Ziploc bags. And okay, so I guess that's her face.
Yeah, the
and
porthole.
Then that's Anna.
Yeah, that's Anna.
That's Sven.
Mm-hmm.
Olaf. And Chris.
Christoph.
Chris, I don't know.
Okay. All right, so anyway, these are cruise door magnets for our upcoming Disney cruise that we still haven't told the kid about.
Ooh, Ariel!
So the idea that I had in mind is that we will have the door decorated multiple times during our journey.
Oh, and let Misty do it. It'll be activity.
It'll be an activity for her to do, and we can go with the themes of each day on the cruise.
So one is Elsa theme? Or Frozen theme?
Frozen, Princess Makeover, Pirate Night.
Out of the way.
Out of the way.
Oh my gosh, so many.
Okay. And those are my new sleepers.
Yeah, you got 2. I'm so proud of you.
2, like 1 for each foot.
Oh. Oh, I thought those were 2 separate bags.
No. It's 2 of them because I have 2 feet.
You have 2 feet?
Huh?
You have feet? They're not hooves? Well, not hoofs?
Yeah, not hoofs. It would behoove you
to have hooves. Mm. So this is Ariel. Mm-hmm. There she is. And there's the body.
And there's a Finding Nemo clownfish. And then we have a lobster.
Oh.
Yeah, she has to have her mermaid bra.
That's funny to me. Well, I like.
Okay. So there we go. We'll do that.
Oh, what's all these? Who are these?
I don't know what those are. Let's see what they are. What?
Okay, this is
Outer Banks, single not taken. I have no idea why. I have no idea why they put those in there.
Who are these people? Caroline. Ooh. Okay, well, trash.
Yeah.
That was a mistake.
Maybe that was something that goes along with the...
It's a gift.
Oh, it's a gift. Okay, that's a bizarre gift. Thank you, Amazon. Amazon, next time, keep your gifts to yourself.
No, I'm sure there's a mistake. Well, yeah.
Yeah, are they stickers?
Yeah, they're stickers, but who are these people? Pogu?
Pogu?
Okay, so maybe that's a show, so maybe it's all Outer Banks. Okay, you know what?
Yeah, we don't care. Yeah, we don't care. We'll get rid of that. Okay, so move Ariel over.
Okay, I don't know what this is, but I'm very excited. It's such a good idea for every day. Mm-hmm. That's so sweet. Ah, it's freaking Stitch! I almost didn't say freaking. Here?
Yeah, and he's drinking a coconut drink.
Surfboard. Oh,
Hana, and the hand goes over there.
Where's the hand?
That's
a hand.
That's a hand. He's holding his tropical drink. And it's a Hawaii license plate that says Ohana. And what does Ohana mean?
Family and nobody gets left behind.
Or forgotten.
Except the puppies are going to be boarded instead of coming with
Aloha, cousins!
us. Aloha, cousins!
Okay.
That's so cute.
All right. What's next?
I totally see Misty mixing all of these up and being like, it's an alien.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. No wonder this box was heavy. No wonder I thought it was my box. And no wonder you didn't want to purchase the magnets that I sent you. These are so cool. Mm. Mm.
Do you have insufficient mightiness to
There
open
you
it? Okay, there you go.
Aww. Our dream cruise. Oh, there's a mini skirt in her top of her head. And I'm going to guess that's going to be her fate.
Yes. I don't think that will show up on the video.
It's going to show up in my nostrils. We're with them. Oh, this is so cool.
And we're with them. We're with them.
I like this. Mishy's going to go bonkers for this. And she'll probably ask where they do that, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Can't forget about Pirate Night.
And then Pirate Night. And then, oh.
Oh no.
Yeah, you got that from the gift.
Oh, okay.
So let's see what we have for Pirate Night. Yarr. See, pirates are friendly. See what I did there?
Uh-huh.
Yarr.
Yard.
Hmm?
Yard.
No, without the G.
Yar.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Yes. Ah!
Pirates. Pirates booty.
Booty.
Oh, that's a thick magnet. And we have our pirate ship over there with a pirate parrot. This pirate cutlass and pirate flags, the cannon, and skulls, and the map to the treasure. Does X mark the spot?
There's no. Yes, right there.
X marks the spot. All right. So, we don't have to put every last magnet on the door.
Oh, but we will.
If we want. I mean, well, we have a door to work with. Hey, I wonder what's in that envelope over there.
Should I put this away?
Sure. What did it say?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
It says, Funny Cruise Door Deck Ion Magnet Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Made in China.
Oh, okay. I'm not really sure what's going to happen here.
Ah, it's so cute. It's Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Because we're going on a very merry time cruise. Christmas cruise. Christmas cruise. Instead
vacation.
Of yeah, vacation.
Okay. Tree. Cookie. Another cookie. They hold hands.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so sweet.
And then they're together.
Yep. Captain Minnie and Captain Mickey.
And then stockings. And then hat. And then
what does it say? A very merry time cruise.
This is cute.
And then, of course, because of the Mickey ice cream bars.
Oh, yeah.
Available 24/7 via room service on the Disney cruise ships.
So, hashtag pack extra insulin. Oops, they're sticking together.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one was bent. I didn't even realize that until now. We'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll fix it. All right. Also, hashtag take plenty of lactate.
Oh, yeah.
So, what do you think?
I love it. Thank you. You went all out.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thanks, Maui.
Wowie, Maui, wowie.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, we're making a hug right now. You can't see that part.
That's a good idea. I was slightly annoyed when I was at work the other day, and you were like, "Can we get magnets? How do you feel about magnets?" And then I found really good magnets, and you were like, "Oh, don't order those yet." And I was like, "Oh."
Yeah, why'd you even bring it up? Now you're telling me not to do it.
I know.
But it's because I did it. As you can see.
As you can see, he already did it.
Right, and new slippers for maritime adventures and lounging on the ship and going ashore. if we choose to do so. But now we'll make another video about the update and the additional journey person.
Yes.
All right. So let's do an 1, 2, 3 and an okay bye.
1, 2, 3. Okay, bye.
Our dream cruise.